Hey guys, so in this video we're looking at UGCVideo.AI. So with this tool you can create UGC videos for using as ads and stuff like that. As they say right here, you can generate TikTok ads from product URLs. So to begin with, if you don't know what UGC is, it's user generated content. Basically, if you have a product or something like that, you can create AI videos of realistic people using that product. So that's what this tool basically is. You have a product, you need video ads for it. That's what you'd do with this tool. Now, to actually create the script that we're going to be using for our videos with this tool, we're going to be using the new Kimi K3. So if you haven't heard of this already, Kimi K3 is the newest flagship model from Kimi or Moonshot AI. And basically, it's as powerful or maybe even slightly more powerful than Claude Fable, which is the currently flagship model of Anthropic. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how we can use this tool. So if we scroll down a bit here, it says the ultimate AI UGC video and ad generator. So yeah, basically you just select your character here and you type in a prompt and then you hit generate and you're going to get a video of the character basically talking about your product or whatever you need them to talk about basically. So yeah, this is really good for if you need to create multiple TikTok or Facebook ads, because sometimes you're just launching multiple products at once and you can't really uh, come up with your own content for each of those products that you're going to be launching. Sometimes you're launching like 3 products a week. So yeah, it's much easier to just use AI to create the ads. And yeah, as you can see right here, basically it has something in this tool that makes skin and stuff more realistic. So if we just zoom in here, but you can see that on the left is what you'd get with a regular AI generator. And then on the right is what you'd get with UGCVideo.AI. So it makes the skin look more realistic. It adds the imperfections that you'd see in real life. So yeah, these characters on the right look like they're basically real people. They don't look AI generated. Yeah, so if we scroll down a bit, we should see some instructions for how to use this tool. Yeah, basically you just select an avatar or a template, and then you input your script or a URL here. So what they're saying is we can either create the script ourselves or we just drop the URL to the product that we want them to talk about. Now I don't actually have a product yet to drop in, so I'm just going to use a script from Kimi K3. And basically, if you had a URL for your own product, you just drop that in, it would create the script and stuff for you, and it would generate that video. And yeah, then you just generate and download your video. So with that, let's log in here. And okay, so we have a few default characters here. We can also go into the UGC character tab here to create our own characters. So we can just click on this one here and describe our character, or we can build our character from different images and stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and describe our character here. Okay, so for the prompt for our character, I actually asked Kimi K3 here, and basically this is the character it gave us. It also gave us a female variation of the character, and it's basically just a casual tech reviewer guy. So yeah, let's paste this in and see what we get. For the style here, I selected photorealistic at the bottom, but there's a lot of other styles like anime, fantasy, digital. So I'm just going to select photorealistic here and I'll hit generate. Okay, so we have our character here. Yeah, he does look pretty realistic. You can see the skin is a bit more detailed than you'd see on a regular AI. And yeah, let's go ahead and try to create a video with him. So we head into the UGC add video here. And here we need to select the product that we're going to use. Now, as I said before, I don't really have any products to use, but I found an old print on demand folder on my computer where I tried to create products before. And one of them is a mug here that I'm going to try and use here. So I'm going to click upload here. And yeah, I can basically just drag and drop that in. And I'm just going to hit save here. And then for the prompt here, I'm going to let Kimi K3 decide that as well. I'm just going to select add my influencer here. So this is how you select one of the images that you created earlier. So this is the character we're going to use. And yeah, now we're going to create the prompt for this. So to do that, I'm going to drop in the image here as well, and then ask Kimi to create the prompt for the video. So this is the product I'm going to be using in the video. Can you create a good prompt for the video here? Okay, so we have our prompt here from Kimi K3. I'm just going to copy that as is and paste it in here. So yeah, we've chosen our character, we've chosen our product, and we have our prompt here. We can also optionally add our own voiceover here, but I'm not going to do that. And then we have our aspect ratio here, which 9:16 is standard for mobile. Then 16:9 is for desktop, so we're going to leave it at mobile 9:16. And then here I'm guessing is how many videos do we want. We're just going to leave that at 1. And yeah, we're going to hit generate down here. Okay, so one thing I did miss here is for the voiceover, we don't need to upload our own sound, but we do need to select a voice from here. So I'm just going to click on add voice here, and yeah, I'm just going to pick one of these voices. Okay, so the video is finally done. I'm just going to give you a quick view of this video here.
Yo, look what just arrived! It's this intense anime mug. The glowing eyes, the dramatic...
So yeah, it's a pretty good video. The voice doesn't match up exactly. That's just because I couldn't find a good voice here. There's just so many options. I didn't want to go through every single one, so I just picked one at random.
Yo,
but
look
yeah,
what
as you
just
can see,
arrived!
the video
It's
looks
this intense
pretty cool.
anime mug.
It
The
created
glowing
this
eyes,
animation of
the dramatic quotes
turning,
all over
put a
it.
little,
The design is wild, and I love
cutout
it.
of our character here
Yeah.
speaking. Yeah, it's a pretty good video. You could definitely use this as an ad. One small issue that I did have here is when I was creating the prompt, as I said, I just copied it from Kimi K3 and I pasted it in here, and it did give me an error here. So I tried to modify it to create the video without giving me that error. And basically, the tiny thing that I needed to fix was just a line about the character taking a sip from the mug. So yeah, once I removed that line, basically the error went away and it let me generate the video. So that was a bit of a weird error, but yeah, for the most part, it created a pretty good video.
It's this
You could
intense
definitely
anime
use
mug.
this in an
The
advert
glowing eyes.
on TikTok, on Facebook, on whatever platform you're advertising on. Also, you could make this a 16:9 video to use on desktop platforms as well. And yeah, this is UGCVideo.AI. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more, and also click like and leave a comment and do all those things. Okay, bye!